to Big Mouth Academy,
where learning is big fun.
Class is now in session.
It's a Big Mouth Academy word jumble. And what are these? Let's use the letters and spell them out together. Lovegus! No! No? Okay, let's give it another try. Boggles! No! No? Okay, one more try. Gloves! That's it. G-L-O-V-E-S. Gloves! Now for a wintertime surprise! Surprise! Disney Frozen! Shake, shake, shake! Pop! Magic Kinder. Disney Frozen! Look out! Trolls! Great job!
School's out!
A+ good time! Learning is big fun! Thanks for playing! Bye-bye! It's an apple! Yes! A-P-P-L-E. Apple! You got it! Looks like a spelling surprise! Let's crack open the fun! Surprise! Shake, shake, shake!